How to create Steam account on mobile. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Steam account directly from your mobile device. Whether you're new to Steam or just want to access your games on the go, this tutorial will guide you through the whole process, so let's get started. Now what you need to do is simply you can download the Steam app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or you can also go to the website. Simply go to Steam and simply tap on three horizontal bars that you can see at the top left side, and simply click on login and simply scroll down until you find create a new account page. Simply tap on it. Now here you need to simply enter your email address and country of residence and confirm your account. Now simply click on continue. Now what you need to do is simply open your Gmail account, and as you can see we have received the verification. Simply tap on it. Now it says go back to the previous window. Let's go back to the previous window. Now what you can do is simply click on continue. Give your account, your Steam account, a name and simply choose a password as well. And that's it. That's how you simply create your Steam account. Now you can browse games, add friends and start downloading your favorites.